Unbox our new 2K connected 4G dash camera, designed specifically for professional fleets and vehicle applications. It features 2K forward-facing video recording, delivering detailed footage that's ideal for incident review and insurance purposes. For fleets that require additional coverage, there's also an option to add a HD driver-facing internal camera via the second USB input, providing full visibility of the vehicle cabin. Grub screws lock the camera in place. The forward-facing camera offers a 146-degree wide viewing angle. You'll also find a built-in speaker and microphone, enabling audio recording, with a volume adjustment button located here. Audio recording can be turned off remotely. For storage, the device supports up to 512 gigabytes. With the forward-facing camera alone, that's approximately 197 hours of footage at around 2.6 gigabytes per hour. The dash camera uses continuous loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest footage to ensure uninterrupted operation without manual intervention. To support fleet compliance and data integrity, the device is equipped with anti-tamper protection for both the SD card and device power, preventing unauthorized interference by drivers. This dash camera supports GPS, GLONASS and Galileo, ensuring accurate real-time positioning and route tracking across global satellite systems. If the device temporarily goes offline, it continues to store data locally and automatically transmits it to the server once a stable connection is restored, so no data is lost. Every unit is pre-configured prior to delivery, significantly reducing installation time. To fully leverage the 4G capability, the dash camera integrates seamlessly with our 4G Live View software. Live View provides secure multi-network, real-time video streaming and GPS tracking, allowing fleet managers to monitor one vehicle or an entire fleet from a single platform. If you'd like to learn more about our 2K connected 4G dash camera, call us on 0208 863 8333 or visit our website www.c-ko.co.uk.